Everyone loves a brownie, but have you ever tried red velvet brownies? If not, then this tutorial is for you. क्योंकि आज मैं आपको सिखाने जा रही हूँ a thick and fudgy red velvet brownies. Hi, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers like you to become a professional pastry chef in just 6 months. Also guys, if you want to know more about our offline courses, then click the link in the description area to inquire. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. For that, we'll prepare this 6-inch square ring by cling wrapping it twice and placing a butter paper at the bottom. अब हम बटर एंड डार्क चॉकलेट को साथ में मेल्ट कर देंगे एंड सेट असाइड टू कूल डाउन. Now in this bowl we'll mix plain yogurt, castor sugar and vanilla essence. अब हम इसमें बटर एंड चॉकलेट मिक्सचर डालेंगे along with apple cider vinegar and oil. Once they are mixed, we'll sift in the dry ingredients that are all-purpose flour, natural cocoa powder, baking soda and some salt. We'll also add in some chopped white chocolate, and edible red gel color. अब हम इस बैटर को अपने प्रिपेयर्ड ड्रिंक में पोर कर देंगे. Lastly, we'll add some chopped chocolate on top as well. We'll bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make frosting for the brownies. उसके लिए we'll simply beat this sweetened whipping cream until soft peaks. अब हम इसमें सॉफ्टेंड क्रीम चीज को फोल्ड कर देंगे. एंड इफ यू आर लाइकिंग दिस रेसिपी देन आई एम श्योर आपको हमारे 5 इंग्रेडिएंट ब्राउनी की वीडियो भी जरूर पसंद आएगी, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया पे मिल जाएगी. We'll transfer the frosting into a piping bag. So our frosting is ready. Now let's move on to the assembly. So हमारा red velvet brownie bake हो चुका है. Now we'll demold it and cut it into 9 equal pieces. Now we'll pipe the frosting on top with a round nozzle like this. And you can see the fudginess of the brownies. Don't they look amazing? And with this, we are done with these unique, thick and fudgy red velvet brownies. I hope you guys try out this recipe at home and let us know in the comment section कि आपको ये recipe कैसा लगा. Also do like, share and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. And I'll be back again with another new recipe. Till then, keep baking.